Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Hey there, welcome to this quick demo of PublishClaw AI. In the next few minutes, you'll see how one simple idea can become a complete ready-to-sell digital publication. Books, magazines, brochures, catalogs, menus, and much more from just one simple command on your phone. Let's dive in. Welcome to your PublishClaw dashboard, the place where every publication begins. From here, you can access your AI publishing agent, manage your AI publications, track your leads, automate repetitive tasks, and control everything from one simple dashboard. But let's jump straight to the most exciting part, your AI publishing agent. This is where PublishClaw completely changes the way digital publications are created. Instead of writing, designing, formatting, or piecing everything together yourself. First, choose the type of publication you'd like to create: a book, magazine, brochure, catalog, booklet, or flyer. Now simply describe your idea. For example, create a magazine for luxury fashion trends 2026. That's it. No complicated workflow, no endless settings, just one simple command. The moment you click Create, your AI publishing agent immediately gets to work. It researches your topic, writes every section, designs every page, chooses the perfect layouts, adds beautiful visuals, formats everything professionally, and transforms your simple idea into a complete interactive digital publication. Automatically, no writing, no designing, no manual formatting, just one command, and your publication is ready. But here's where it gets even better. Imagine creating complete digital publications, not from your computer, but directly from your phone. Simply connect Telegram or install the PublishClaw mobile app. Now your AI publishing agent is always with you, whether you're traveling, relaxing at home, meeting a client, or simply away from your desk. Just send a message and let your AI publishing agent build complete digital publications from anywhere. Because your publishing business should go wherever you go. But that's not the only way to create publications. Already have content? No problem. Simply upload any PDF. And watch PublishClaw instantly transform it into a beautiful interactive flip publication. No redesigning, no copying content, no starting from scratch. Just upload, and it's ready. Want to create something even more visual? Simply upload your images, and PublishClaw automatically turns them into stunning photo publications, perfect for lookbooks, product catalogs, photo albums, portfolios, flyers, restaurant menus, and much more. Multiple ways to create. One powerful publishing platform. Every publication you create is automatically organized inside your AI publications dashboard. Think of it as your personal publishing library. From here, you can instantly preview, edit, duplicate, download, share, or manage every publication you've ever created. Everything stays organized and always within reach. But what if you'd like to make a few changes? No problem. Simply open any publication and launch the built-in visual editor. Everything your AI publishing agent creates remains completely customizable. Edit text, replace images, swap videos, add buttons, insert interactive elements, rearrange pages, or simply click Ask AI to rewrite, improve, expand, or enhance your content instantly. Your AI publishing agent handles the hard work. You stay in complete creative control. Once you're happy with your publication, simply click Save and Next. Now it's time to customize your publication before it goes live. Add your publication title, description, and banner. Upload your own cover, or choose from beautifully designed, ready-to-use covers. Automatically generate your table of contents, and choose how your audience experiences your publication. Customize the reader background add AI voice narration, or even clone your own voice to create a truly interactive reading experience. Want to generate leads? Simply enable the built-in lead capture form and start collecting leads directly inside your publications. Everything is now perfectly set, and you're ready to publish. And just like that, your digital publication is live. Share it with anyone, embed it on your website, protect it with a password, generate QR codes for offline sharing, or simply start selling it online. Amazon KDP, Fiverr, Etsy, Gumroad, your own website, or directly to local businesses and clients. Your publication is no longer just an idea. It's now a real digital asset. And every time someone interacts with your publication, PublishClaw helps you capture and manage your reader leads. All from one simple dashboard. View your leads, track engagement, export your data, and keep growing your audience, one publication at a time. That's the power of PublishClaw AI.